Alright, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be proving the law of cosines. I'm going to work from this diagram here that I've got triangle ABC, and I guess I'll copy in the law of cosines that I'm trying to show. And, this is true for a squared and b squared in terms of the other two, because there's nothing really all that special about what we're calling a, b, and c in this diagram. Alright, so I think what I'm going to start off with is kind of this triangle on the right. This one that's got sides C and Y and, kind of this thing down here. So this green length right here, I'm going to say that it has length b minus x, because b is the whole distance from the origin to a, and x is just that shorter distance, is what I'm trying to show here. So if I'm doing the Pythagorean theorem and trying to figure out what c squared equals, then I can also write formulas for x and y in terms of sine and cosine of c. So if I plug those into the equation in black, what I'm going to get is c squared equals a squared sine squared c plus whatever I would get if I squared b minus a cosine c. And I just did the algebra for you. But we start to see, what we're looking for coming through. We're seeing that minus 2ab cosine c. Okay, so that should be a good sign that we're heading in the right direction. And now, I think the next thing that we have to see is that sine squared and that cosine squared. And we know that sine squared of any angle plus cosine squared of the same angle is going to equal 1. So I'm going to group those together and factor out the a squared. When I apply that trig identity, I'll see that I've got just what I'm looking for. That c squared equals a squared times 1, which is going to be a squared, plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. And that's how you prove the law of cosines. Thanks for watching.